Measure the opening in the frame. It's about 51.5 millimeters, 2.02 inches. Hello, David here, and the project for today is finding replacement bearings for this Keys Fitness Discovery 6.0 exercise bike. Company's out of business, parts are unattainable, and I'm hoping to find parts from a bearing manufacturer. There's no parts numbers on these bearings or races, and I'm hoping a manufacturer can take some dimensions that I give them and see if there's some off-the-shelf parts. I can't imagine that these would be proprietary, and I don't know if it's metric or imperial, so I'll take measures in both, and maybe you can help me and find parts for me. That would be great. And let's get started. I'll start with the race that came out of the frame. .638 inches or 16.27 millimeters. Let's measure the overall diameter. 55.66 millimeters or 2.19 inches. Measure the inside diameter here. 1.54 inches or 39.19 millimeters. There's a ball bearing. I think it's 7.95 millimeters or 0.31 inches. Here's the bearing itself. The cage that the bearing is in is about 1.37 inches or 34.82 millimeters. I don't know if it's worth measuring the fingers on the cage or not. I don't know what other measurement I could get off of this. I could do the width of the cage. Okay. 9.37 millimeters or 0.369 inches. Here is the inner race. 0.463 inches or 11.76 millimeters. Measure the depth. 11.94 millimeters or 0.72 inches. I wonder if that's supposed to be 12 millimeters. I'm not sure about that. Okay, notice the inner race that goes on the outside of the crank. The slots for twisting the race on are on the face of the race. On this inner race, the slots for installing the race are on the outside lip. So probably the same dimensions, but this has a different process of tightening the race onto the crank. Let's take a look at the threads. 21.9 millimeters or 0.867 inches. Not sure on the pitch on this. I come, well, it's right on at 24. Pitch is 24, which matches it almost exactly with my thread pitch tool. And that's about all I could think of. Let me know if I'm missing something. And please help me out. Thanks for watching.